Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to track your package using the Wayfair mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Wayfair app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Now tap on My Orders or View Orders. This will show you everything you have purchased from Wayfair. Find the item or package you want to track and tap on it to open the order details. If your item has shipped, you will see a button that says Track Package or Track Shipment. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will see tracking information including the shipping company, the tracking number, the current location and the estimated delivery date. You can tap on the tracking number to open more detailed update on the correct website. If your package hasn't shipped yet, you will see a message that says something like preparing for shipment. Wayfair may also send you updates by email or text, so keep an eye on your inbox for delivery info. And that's it. That's how you track your package on the Wayfair app, your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.